Feeling like your floors have lost their shine? We can help. In this video, we'll show you the entire process of our professional floor restoration service, from initial inspection to sparkling results. Our technician will first assess the condition of your floors. They will then measure the area to provide you with a free, no-obligation estimate. Our restorative cleaning starts at an affordable 50 cents per square foot, with clear sealing starting at an additional 30 cents per square foot. Once you approve the estimate and schedule the service, it's time to prepare your home. We'll guide you through the process, like moving small items and breakable decorations. Don't worry about heavy furniture. We can handle couches, tables, and anything under 150 pounds. Beds, dressers, and TV stands usually stay put, but we can move them if required. You will receive a text message with the estimated arrival time of our technicians. To ensure easy access, please remove your car from the driveway to create a parking spot close to the house. For high-rise apartments, we have portable equipment ready. Let's jump right into the action. Our technicians will move furniture and prep the floor. Here's a pro tip. We turn off the air conditioning before starting the cleaning process. The cleaning solution must stay moist to work its magic, and the air conditioner pulls out moisture. Now, the cleaning begins. Watch as our technicians expertly apply the solution, paying close attention to details, especially in corners, ensuring every inch of your tile surface gets a thorough clean. We then use a specialized machine to power rinse the tile surfaces with hot water, removing dirt and grime out of the tiniest pores of the tile and grout, which will also provide maximum adhesion for the sealer of your choice. We take pride in our meticulous approach, using both our main tool for larger areas and a smaller one for those hard-to-reach spots under cabinets and around the toilets. Once the cleaning is thoroughly complete, the air conditioning goes back on to accelerate drying. Powerful fans and dry mopping also come into play, leaving your floors virtually dry within minutes. Now it's time for the finishing touch, sealing the grout. You have the option of a clear or a colored sealer. With the colored sealer, you may choose to either match the original grout color or change it. The clear seal comes with a 2-year warranty, while the color sealer option boasts a remarkable 15-year warranty. See the difference between treated and untreated areas. The sealer truly makes a lasting impression. Finally, we'll carefully put your furniture back in place. And the star of the show, your beautifully restored floors. We will send you our maintenance recommendations by email to help you keep your floors looking their best for years to come. Ready to experience the magic of floor restoration? Contact us today for a free quote.